Hi, I'm Chris. I'm a commercial model and I've just started a YouTube channel to share all about modeling, my daily life, and all the exciting opportunities that come with it. I'm making this video in English because I want to connect with all my English-speaking friends and followers from around the world. Since this is just the start of my channel, I'm still figuring out how to manage making videos in 2 languages. I'm excited about the new features YouTube might add to make this easier.
You can imagine if you take 12 channels like those, and instead of doing them all separate, you combine them on one, it supercharges the heck out of the video.
This channel is a big part of who I am. It shows my connections to the world. I hope to keep running this one channel without having to split it up for different audiences. Let's get into it. It's 2024 and these days no one can hold you back from showing you who you are. You are not limited by the old rules of TV. Social media has changed the game, letting everyone start their own channel for free. Pressing the record button for the first time was incredible. It opened up so many new ways to meet people, both online and in real life, every day. Authenticity and connection. Ever wondered why some people are just acquaintances while only a few become close friends? Close friends are the ones with whom you can be completely yourself. You can share anything with them knowing they'll truly listen and keep connected. Whether you're together or miles apart, they value every moment spent with you as much as you do. During my travels from my teens to my 30s, whether in Europe, Asia or the States, I've built long-distance friendships that have lasted thanks to social media. The key to these friendships, being able to express myself freely and share my thoughts without anyone judging me. This connects to my life as a model, which some might not see as a real job. Traveling the world for work or the work itself isn't just about fun and leisure. It's tough, but also incredibly rewarding. That's why I love it. Every new place I visit, every project I work on is like a breath of fresh air. Totally unpredictable. Not like the typical 9 to 5 where you might know exactly what to expect each day. As a model, I'm always in the moment, fully immersed. Still, it's not without its challenges. Staying fit, picking the right food, choosing the best products to stay camera ready, all these things takes effort. And every gig I get is the result of lots of networking with agencies and photographers, plus constantly updating my portfolio. And because my work is based on project, I start from scratch every time one wraps up to make sure I keep the income flowing. Often I only get to show a slice of who I am, and decisions are made quickly without much chance for others to really get to know me. But here on my YouTube channel, I get to break out of that cycle. Sharing who I really am helps me connect with you all. It builds trust, just like with any good friendship. And while sometimes we click right away over common interests, other times we might not. And that's okay. Either leads to new friendship or mutual respect from a distance. Living near Frankfurt, Germany, I've got some geographical challenges since the companies I work with are often in the far south, east or north of the country. This situation really shows how our environment shapes us. Trying to explain myself to locals who might not get where I'm coming from, I focus on building relationships based on understanding and respect. Early on, professional relationships might feel more like business transactions, clear cuts and somewhat distant. But as you get to know people better, trust grows, potentially turning into real friendships and deeper connections than you might find in a regular job. And unlike many people who report to a boss, as a model and a YouTuber, I'm my own boss. I set my own hours, decide when a project is done, and determine when to hit the record button. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, remember, it's a fantastic way to show the world your true self. Number 2, visibility and control. This channel lets me be in charge as my own boss, casting agent and publicist. It gives me control over my story, letting me share both my successes and the tough parts of working for myself as a model. I've been in too many auditions that didn't lead to jobs, but each one teaches me something and makes me better at what I do. When I accept a casting call, I commit to being available for that job during a specific time. This means I can't take over work or change how I look, locking me into this commitment. For example, when I was living in the States or Asia, while others could plan fun and vacations, I had to stay available just in case I got the job. If I booked a holiday and then got a job offer, I would lose my chance to relax and waste time and money. On the other hand, staying available meant I might miss out on personal time for a job that might not come. Thinking back, if YouTube had been around in the late 90s, I would have jumped at the chance to create and share content. But back then, I was limited to interacting in person or through my personal website. I started using Facebook around 2006 or 2007 to stay in touch with friends worldwide. Now, I use this YouTube channel in my free time to share my experience and show that anything is possible. Being on camera doesn't necessarily give me an edge. I know the best angle to avoid, but most importantly, it's about how I communicate. Whether I'm speaking in my second language or my native language, I'm always working to improve how I present myself. Each video is a chance to get better, and I'm excited to see how much I can grow in the next coming months. Right now, my channel is almost 3 months old and has exactly 110 subscribers. I'm really proud of our growing community. Your support means a lot to me. It shows me that my work and the videos I make are available to you. This encouraged me to keep going and share even more as we move forward together. Number 3, experience and building a community. YouTube lets me share my modeling experience and life insights with you all. It's not just about getting more people to see my content, it's about teaching, having a positive impact on others' life, and maybe even inspiring you to make changes in your own life, just like I try to do it with my 2 sons. Watching them grow and learn to tackle challenges makes me proud. As a father, my role isn't just to make them happy, but to help them handle their problems with a little advice. When they solve problems on their own, that's when they truly feel a sense of achievement. I put a lot of effort into this YouTube channel because I want to share my stories authentically in my own words. I often find myself rewriting my videos several times to make sure everything is clear. Sometimes I think about adding more pictures or videos to help explain things better. I'm so grateful you watched this video, especially since there are so many other things you could be doing, like watching Netflix, TV, or enjoy your hobbies, or just go outside. But here you are spending time with me, and that means a lot to me. Thank you for your support. It encouraged me to keep creating contents that you find valuable and helps our community grow. And remember, this community isn't here just in Germany. It extends wherever I go. And that's something special that YouTube allows me to build. Let's connect. I would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below, share your thoughts, tell me about your experience, or let me know what topics you would like to see on this channel. Your feedback is crucial as it helps me to understand what you enjoy and how we can grow together. So let's keep the conversation going and build something great.